As interest rates go up, the rates offered by savings accounts are also increasing, making it a great time to consider high-yield savings accounts. So today we'll be going over what I believe are the best high-yield savings accounts you can get. Some I have, others I don't, but they can all earn you some extra money every month, so make sure to watch until the end to find out which account has made me over $500 this year, which one is my personal favorite, and which account offers the highest interest rate for your money. First, for those who aren't familiar, a high-yield savings account is a savings account that pays you a higher interest rate than normal, allowing your money to grow as it sits in your account. The interest you earn on these accounts per year is called APY, or annual percentage yield. Normally, big banks like Chase, Bank of America, and others usually offer a very low interest rate of 0.01% on their savings accounts, regardless of how much money you have in your account, which is nothing. While with a high-yield savings account, you can get higher interest rates of 5% or more, which makes a big difference on how much you earn from your savings. Now, a lot of the banks offering these high-yield savings accounts are online-only banks, meaning they don't have physical branches you can go to. But honestly, when was the last time you walked into a bank? Exactly. Most of us handle our banking needs online or through mobile banking apps anyway. So since these banks have lower expenses because they don't have buildings to maintain, they're able to pass on the savings to customers like me and you in the form of higher interest rates and lower fees. It's also important to know that these interest rates can change at any time, so the rates we'll be talking about today may be different when you go to apply. So let's start off with the first bank on the list, Discover, which is a well-known bank offering various financial products. I've been using their checking account for my investment property for about 2 years and have no complaints about them so far. But where they shine the most is in their high-yield savings account, which is currently offering 4% APY. This account comes with no fees, including no monthly fees, insufficient fund fees, and there's no minimum deposit required to open the account. So you can grow your money completely for free without worrying about fees. So for example, at a 4% interest rate, if you deposit $20,000 in this account, you would earn $800 per year, which is about $67 per month. Obviously, the more money you put into the account, the more interest you'll earn. The best part is that this interest is compounded daily and it gets deposited into your account monthly, so you technically earn cash flow every single month. And if you're wondering, the money you put into this account is safe because Discover Bank is FDIC insured up to $250,000, which means if something were to happen to the bank, your money is protected up to that amount. Now, some of the ways you can deposit money into this account are via mobile deposits, online transfers, wire transfers, direct deposit, or by mailing a check. And if you need to withdraw money, you can use wire transfers, get a bank check, transfer it online to an external bank account, or transfer it to another Discover account, which is the fastest and easiest way to access your cash because you're going to be able to take out money using your debit card at an ATM. Overall, this savings account is a great option for a lot of people. But now let's move on to one of my favorite bank accounts this year. The second bank I want to talk about is Sofi. Sofi is an online bank that offers loans, investment options, one of the best 2% cashback credit cards in my opinion, and much more, all under one platform, so it's kind of a one-stop shop. I've been banking with Sofi for almost 2 years, and I can tell you they have one of the best 2-in-1 high-yield checking and savings accounts around, making it one of my favorite banks on the list. This account has no fees, including no overdraft fees, minimum balance fees, or monthly fees. Plus, you get access to over 55,000 fee-free ATMs from the Allpoint network, so you can find an ATM just about anywhere. And right now, Sofi is offering 4.3% APY on their savings account when you set up direct deposit and 1.2% APY on their checking account. So if you put $15,000 in the savings account, you'd earn $645 per year, which is about $54 a month, or $180 in the checking account, which is $15 a month. So it's totally worth it to keep your money in this account. Sofi is also offering a welcome bonus of up to $250 when you set up a qualifying direct deposit. And for a limited time, you can get an extra $25 when you deposit $10 by using my link in the description to sign up, which will increase your bonus to $275. To be clear, you'll get a $50 bonus if you receive a direct deposit of $1,000 to $4,999 with 99 cents, or a $250 bonus if you receive a direct deposit of $5,000 or more within 25 days of opening your account. Guys, this is the only savings account on the list that's offering a sign-up bonus. So make sure to take advantage of that free money before the promotion ends. You'd also be helping the channel out a lot. Now, when it comes to the protection of your money, SoFi is also FDIC insured on up to $250,000. On top of that, they've partnered with other banks to offer up to $2 million of FDIC insurance completely for free. All you need to do is enroll in the program if you want the extra coverage. Anyway, if you set up direct deposit, you'll also unlock no fee overdraft coverage up to $50, and you'll get your paycheck up to 2 days earlier. So if you usually get paid on Fridays, you can get paid as early as Wednesdays. Your checking account will also come with a cashback debit card where you'll be able to earn up to 15% cash back at local establishments, and it comes with other benefits like purchase protection, extended warranty, and much more. SoFi also offers an all-in-one mobile banking app where you can make transfers and deposits, send money to friends, track your spending, monitor your credit score, and more. On top of that, you can deposit cash at more than 90,000 retailers, but I do want to point out that although SoFi doesn't charge any fees, their retail partners do charge a small fee of $4.95 per cash deposit. So if you get paid in cash or you make cash deposits frequently, be aware of that fee, but also know that there are ways around it. For example, you can deposit cash into another bank account and then transfer it to your SoFi account. That way you don't pay any fees. With this account, you can also create sub-accounts called vaults for different saving goals like an emergency fund or even buying a house. And what's cool is that the money you put into these vaults also earns interest, so as you save towards a goal, your money will also grow. SoFi is also a legit bank as of February 2022. So although you're going to be managing your account fully online, you're working with a certified bank that has over 5.5 million members and counting, showing that SoFi is a trusted bank. If I can think of any potential downsides, it would only be that you must set up direct deposit to earn the highest interest rate. However, even if you decide not to set up direct deposit, you will still earn a 1.2% interest rate on both your checking and savings accounts, which is much higher than what other banks offer. So if this is going to be your main bank account and your checks get deposited into it anyway, this account is, in my opinion, a great way to grow your savings all at once. Next up, we have Wealthfront's Cash Account, which is a hybrid account that combines checking and savings features into one account. Right now, this account is offering 4.55% APY on all balances with no account fees, unlimited withdrawals and transfers, and up to $5 million of FDIC insurance through partner banks, so your money will be protected. Some other highlights from this account include the ability to get paid up to 2 days early if you set up direct deposit, wire transfers for just $10, compatibility with payment apps like Venmo. You can pay bills with your account. It also comes with a debit card, and you get access to 19,000 fee-free ATMs, so taking out money is super easy. A lot of high-yield savings accounts don't come with a debit card or an ATM card for you to use to withdraw money from your account, so this is a nice bonus. Now, I do want to point out that Wealthfront is not a bank. It's more of an investing platform. And the Wealthfront Cash Account works like a normal checking account, but it earns the interest rate of a high-yield savings account, so you kind of get the best of both worlds. Overall, Wealthfront has a lot to offer. I was a customer of theirs for over a year, and during that time I earned a ton of interest, and I honestly didn't have any complaints. However, I decided to transfer some of my money to my SoFi checking and savings account. That way I can take advantage of their bonus and interest rates, and the rest of the money was moved to the bank we'll be talking about next. The next bank on the list is Capital One. I've been banking with Capital One for over a year after leaving Wells Fargo, and it's honestly one of the best decisions I've ever made, as I've mentioned before on the channel. Capital One has their 360 Performance Savings Account, which is a high-yield savings account with no fees or minimums that's currently giving 4.10% APY on any balance. Which means $10K in this account would earn you $410 in interest per year, $30K would earn you $1,230 per year, and so on. I've personally made over $500 of interest since I opened my account last year, so this one's obviously my second favorite bank on the list. Moving on, this account is also FDIC insured on up to $250,000, and it offers no overdraft fee options, a mobile banking app, and 70,000 fee-free ATMs where you can withdraw money, check your balance, and make transfers. Plus, you can deposit cash at CVS locations and deposit both cash and checks at Capital One ATMs, which are normally located at Target or Capital One branches. So although Capital One is an online bank, they offer a few physical branches you can go to in person, as well as Capital One cafes. You can also create multiple savings accounts for different financial goals, like a vacation fund, saving for a down payment on a house, saving for a brand new car, and much more. All in all, Capital One is a nice bank that's been around for a long time, so this might be a good option for some of you. Hey guys, I wanted to quickly tell you about my new chair, the Ewin Ergonomic chair. It's perfect for both office work and gaming. This chair provides tons of support for your back and behind, even after long hours of sitting. It's made of high-density memory foam for comfort, stain-resistant PU leather for easy cleaning, and a steel frame with all-metal casters for durability and easy movement. But one of the best features is its ergonomic design with adjustable armrests, adjustable seat height to match your height, and adjustable backrest to modify your sitting position or even nap on it if you like, as well as a cushioned headrest and lumbar support, which is great for people like me who often experience back pain while working on the computer. This chair also holds up to 400 pounds, while other chairs hold up to 300 pounds at most, and it looks super cool in person. I got the Champion series in black and white, but there are other series with many other colors to choose from. By the way, all of these chairs are designed to fit people of different heights and weights, so you can choose a series that suits you best based on your own height and weight. If I had to pick a second chair for myself, I would either choose the same series I already have in this cool black and orange color with the orange wheels, or I'd go for this other black on black option to keep it classy, but the options are endless. Having said that, I do want to point out that these chairs are pretty expensive in my opinion. They range from the low 200s to the high 400s, but they might be worth the money if you spend long hours gaming or sitting in front of your computer. Anyways, you can use code DianaPlays20 to get 20% off on any of their chairs today. Enjoy. This next bank really surprised me with their competitive interest rates on their savings accounts, and that's CIT Bank. This bank currently offers two savings accounts. Their Platinum Savings, which earns 4.85% APY on balances of $5,000 or more, and their Savings Connect account, where you can earn 4.6% APY. Both accounts come with no monthly maintenance fees, are both FDIC insured up to $250,000, and you can open any one of them with as little as $100. They also offer a mobile banking app for you to take care of all your banking needs, plus they'll refund you up to $30 per month when you use another bank's ATMs to take out money from your account, which is a nice plus. Now, the only thing I don't like about these accounts is that there's a minimum opening deposit to open them. And you must keep a daily balance of $5,000 or more to earn the 4.85% interest rate. If your balance drops below that, the APY on the account will fall all the way down to 0.25%, which is pretty bad. So although you can open these accounts with only $100, you're gonna need to maintain $5,000 in them in order for you to earn the higher interest rate. All in all, CIT offers very competitive interest rates on their savings accounts and is a legit online bank. So if you're okay with the requirements, this might be a good place to park some extra cash. Last, we got Lending Club Bank, which is currently offering 4.25% APY on their savings account on any balance. The minimum deposit requirement to open this account is $100, but the account comes with no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements after the initial $100 opening deposit, and a free ATM card you can use to withdraw or deposit money whenever you like into your account. They also don't charge you to use ATMs. At the end of each month, they calculate the amount of ATM fees you incurred that month and automatically refund your account, which is pretty nice. You can also manage your account from anywhere on their website or on their mobile banking app, where you're going to be able to track your spending, create budgets, and much more. This bank is also FDIC insured on up to $250,000, so just like the previously mentioned banks, your money will be safe here. And they offer customer service support via chat or by phone for any questions you may have. Now, although this account offers a very high interest rate, I can't say it's the best option on the list because I've never banked with them. But they seem like a good company, so let me know below what you guys think about them. So to sum it up, all the banks we've gone over are great options. But my personal favorites are SoFi, Capital One, and Discover because I've earned a lot of interest with their high-yield savings accounts and I've had a great experience with them. And yes, even though there are banks that offer higher interest rates, I prefer these accounts because they don't have any maintenance fees or strict balance requirements, all while offering some of the highest and most competitive interest rates right now. So there you have it, peeps. Let me know in the comments which one of these savings accounts you have or think is best. And if you made it this far into the video, comment the word savings so I know who my loyal besties are. Also, if you're interested in signing up for the SoFi checking and savings account and getting your free $25 or getting $30 after you spend $30 with Rakuten plus earning cash back on a ton of popular stores, make sure to check out the links in the description. As always, that's the best way to support the channel. I love you guys. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. That way you don't miss out on any future uploads. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to watch these other ones next. Okay, bye now.